In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill color in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do is select wherever you want to fill color. So for example, if I want to do this for text, I can go to up top to the Home tab and then click on Edit Text and then select some text I want to actually fill color. And then you want to go to the Format tab up top, and here top left you can see Fill Color, and you can basically change it to whatever you want from over here. Now that's the first way. However, if you have different things like for example rectangles, you could go and just click on rectangle here and create one, and then you can go to the Format tab again, and here you can see Fill Color, and you can fill whichever color you want. Now there's also some other options. So for example, if you go to the, let's just go to the Comment tab over here, and I'm going to actually create a line here, for example. As you can see by default it's kind of black. You could go up here, right click it, and click on Comment Style Palette, and then here you can see the fill color. You can change that as well as your strike color and stuff like that. So that's basically how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.